Hi, Turtle Monkey here. Today, my daughter and I get to walk through the woods over by her daycare. There's a whole nature area over there that's preserved just for nature. So if a tree falls down, they have to put it back in the area. It's really nice. Her daycare used to walk through there daily, and she really enjoys it. So I'll quit talking, and the rest of this will be just us hiking through the woods and looking at different creatures and neat things we find along the way. Thanks for watching. Okay, flip that log over gently. Oh. There's worms.
Where's the worm? Look, this tiny slug.
Yeah, there's a worm. It was over here.
It's moving.
Yeah. Step back, babe.
Okay. Do you want to try to catch it?
No, not right now. We're just looking. We're observing.
Or catch something?
I don't know what those things were. The little white things. Step back. Look at this. Go up here. See a worm?
I want to touch it. Can I pick it up?
Stand up real quick. There's a slug. Right there.
Look.
Here, watch out. I can't see. Slug. I don't know what that is. Don't touch it.
You don't know what is it?
Worm. Then
don't touch it. Right?
Yep. All right, roll it back over gently.
It's heavy. Really heavy. Dark?
Yep.
Really dark?
Oh, sorry. Get your hands back. I'm not sure what those are.
Then don't touch them.
Yep.
Look at the worm.
Yeah, I got some
big
worms over here.
Those are big.
Little white things. I'm not sure what those are.
Yeah.
We'll have to look them up on the internet when we get back. I don't see anything up there. Pretty neat. Okay, go ahead.
Look at that one.
Look, a slug.
Huh?
Slug right here. Big old slug.
Ugh. I want to get
Don't touch.
These worms.
Oh, there's another slug.
Ugh. Look.
Don't touch. Bunch of slugs.
And a bunch of worms.
Yep. Okay, roll it back over. Roar.
Silly Daddy.
You're silly.
I'm trying to put this on here. You're supposed to roll it on there.
Oh, okay. I think you're supposed to swing it on there, not throw it on there. Don't pull on that rope, just hold on to it. You gotta line it up though. Here, look. Step here, grab it and step back. Come here, step back this way. You want it right here. And just let go. Oh, you almost got it. Try it again. Grab it and come back this way. Almost. Try it again. Line it up straight though. Here. Right in there. Let go. Oh, so close. Alright, let's keep going.
We've been in this woods. Like, you picked me up in this woods before, but you did not come in this woods, half of it, right, Dad?
Yeah.
One.
Yeah. Bet you it's not that big of a spider though.
When you're going fast, so that's why. And what is that?
Mushroom?
A mushroom?
Yeah.
Is it orange one?
Yeah.
Oh. Orange ones are poisonous.
Probably.